Prebiotics, the essential fuel for your internal garden. Probiotics, introducing the helpful live-in guests. Postbiotics, the beneficial byproducts of a healthy gut. The Prebiotics toward a healthier gut today. The gut is our second brain. It is a complex and powerful system. Many people think of it only for digestion. It breaks down the food you eat and absorbs the nutrients your body needs. Inside your gut lives a vast community of tiny living things, your gut microbiome. It is unique to you, like a fingerprint. It communicates with your brain, influencing mood, stress, and how you think. It also trains your immune system, your first line of defense. Simple, consistent food choices can strengthen this system. No expensive programs needed. Number 1, prebiotics. Think of prebiotics as fuel for your good gut microbes. They are not alive themselves, they're special plant fibers your enzymes can't digest, but your beneficial bacteria can. Microbes ferment these fibers to grow and multiply. Prebiotics are fertilizer for internal garden. Onions, garlic, leeks, slightly underripe bananas, oats, barley, asparagus, apples, chicory root. A wide variety of plants feeds a diverse microbiome. Well-fed good bacteria crowd out potential troublemakers. So, prebiotic-rich foods are a simple, powerful investment in your long-term health. Number 2, probiotics. The helpful live-in guests. If prebiotics are the food, probiotics are the beneficial live microbes themselves. You'll find them in fermented foods and in supplements. Look for names like lactobacillus or bifidobacterium on labels. Kefir often includes a wider variety of strains than yogurt. Other great options are sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh. They bolster friendly populations and perform jobs that support digestion and immunity. After antibiotics, which reduce good and bad microbes, probiotics can help replenish the good. Certain strains may help ease gas, reduce bloating, or support specific types of diarrhea. Different strains do different things. For most people, a few fermented foods in a balanced diet is safe and effective. The goal is steady support, not overload. Let's connect the dots with postbiotics, the powerful products our microbes make. Number 3. Postbiotics. Postbiotics are helpful substances produced when probiotics eat prebiotic fibers. They include short-chain fatty acids, enzymes, and vitamins like certain Bs and K. Butyrate fuels colon cells, strengthening the gut barrier. A strong barrier lets nutrients in and keeps harmful substances out, reducing inflammation. Postbiotics also signal the immune system, calming excess inflammation and guiding responses. You don't boost postbiotics with a pill. You nourish the whole system with fiber. Pre, pro, and post work together in a natural cycle. Take care of your second brain. It takes care of you.